Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm here to teach you how to make French toast today, so it's going to be really good. You're going to need I use the Canyon gluten-free bread. It's dairy-free, soy-free, and nut-free, and it's kosher as well. And either coconut milk or heavy cream, so you'll need that. 2 tablespoons of that. Cinnamon. And it's just enough to taste. I like a lot of cinnamon, so I'll probably put more than most people like. So just kind of to taste, I'm gonna say about 1/4 of a teaspoon in your mixture. You're gonna need 2 free-range eggs, of course, and some butter. So that's all you need for French toast. So I said about 1/4 of a teaspoon. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Yeah. Two tablespoons of heavy cream will help it stay moist, not dry out. And I forgot to say a pinch of salt. And you could also add some monk fruit sweetener as well if you want to make it low sugar, low glycemic. So you just put about 1 packet of that in there. I'm trying to see what I'll show y'all. And then you just mix it up. Okay, I have my skillet heated on like medium. So you just take the slice of bread and flip it into your mixture. And then let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on that side, and the same for the other side. Yeah, it was really good.